Hello everyone. Well, we're spending a few hours in a place called Wakehurst in West Sussex. It's part of Kew Gardens. They do things with seeds. They look after seeds. They preserve seeds and they do all sorts. We've only just arrived. We're going on a bit of a walk. What you've just seen is the seed project thingamajig, Millennium Seed Project, where they do things. Not really interested, to be honest, but I bought this as a part of a birthday present for my partner. Later on today we're going on the Bluebell Railway, which is part of this package. But it's very pleasant, and by the looks of it, if you're in a wheelchair, it seems to be quite accessible. So yeah, we're going on a nice walk through some woodland area, a big long loop. Yeah, it's very pleasant. I must say, this is very pleasant. It's very, very peaceful. You can just hear the sort of the birds and the trees rustling in the wind. So, you know, I'm not that much into horticulture, but I like nature. I like getting out in nature. I might hug a tree later. Look, here we have an example of a couple of Barratt starter homes. So this is what, no, not really. This is where a chap, probably mainly men, used to come and burn charcoal in that thing for some reason. I don't think they would have had posi-drive screws back then to hold that on, but anyway, we'll forget that. Fancy living in that. And that's actually called a hovel, possibly where the term comes from. And look, there's some pictures of oldie-worldy gentlemen stood outside their hovels, or I don't know if that's a lady. I don't know. You can't tell from these black and white pictures.
Yeah. Never mind.
You camera shy? Are you? It'll be on YouTube. Do you get YouTube?
And some echinacea as well. Rhubarb. Yeah, look at that. That's what it is.
One of the white, what's the orange one? Is this
There with a tin of sweet corn, feeding you a bit.